Come. Hi guys, what's up?
Welcome to the Chocolate and Vanilla Vlog.
What up, one people?
Big up.
Big up on yourself. Yes.
We got something for you guys today.
But before we go into it, we are asking you, please like,
share,
subscribe,
and don't forget to click that notification button.
And make sure to comment.
Notifications.
Good or bad, okay? But guys, I know you guys have been waiting forever for us to prank the husband.
It's called revenge.
Revenge. You remember how they do it in the last video? With accuse her for stealing? Well guys, we come up with something bad.
Bring it.
We are bring it today. We are bring it. No. So here we guys. Here this go. So them gone at the gun range. Gone shoot, right? So we tell them so we are gonna make them lunch. We tell them so we're gonna make them sweet and sour chicken and rice aroni. Okay, we are gonna make them sweet and sour chicken. So me could tell them where we're gonna plant them with. We tell them so we have the sweet and sour chicken. But
so we have the chicken here.
So we have the chicken here. Yes, Purdue.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. But what we are gonna do is we create a label on the computer off of the internet with frog legs. Yes, so it marked frog legs.
So we have to take the stickers.
We're gonna take
and put them on the chicken. For cover up say a chicken breast, we are gonna put say a frog leg.
We are gonna put say a frog leg.
Let's correct this. Organic frog leg.
Organic frog leg. Frog leg. And you know how Jamaican steer when it come to eating frog. We not do that. No, we not do that. So we are gonna cover it like she said with the frog leg. We have all the label.
With the SKU
number and everything. We think about this in a guy. We'll put a lot of detail.
So
lot of details in this.
To make it look as real as we can, the label big. So we have to cut down the label.
So we're gonna cut down the label. No, but we have to bring up a camera so we can show them what we are doing. But listen guys, when them come now and we're gonna make them plate, them lunch, a lunch we're make them, we're gonna make them eat off everything. Then we're gonna tell them say a frog leg. Yes, because you know sweet and sour chicken, we have to go dip in a flour first and then fry all of that. So then I'm gonna and everything tastes like chicken, right?
And then say frog leg tastes like chicken.
So them say frog leg tastes like chicken. So we're gonna make them heaty, we're gonna make them yummy, and then we reveal to them say a frog leg. Yeah, after they're done.
Really nice and
if they not believe we know, we can always draw for empty pocket with the frog leg label on it for sure them say a frog leg, a real frog leg, we serve them. Alright? So stay tuned. Bring down the camera so we can show them how we're gonna put on the frog leg. Yeah, pan the pocket. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, guys.
So, me need to cut this, right? Because it's too big. I'm going to cut it so it can fit nice and look real. And then not pay attention to the damn chicken packet. Oh, you really steer. Yeah. Then not pay attention for no say we we fake all of this. Yeah. Them just have a react.
We'll bring it to them 100.
Bring it to them 100%. Then things say, them are prank master. Alright, we're about to show them. Want to make sure.
The bottom part can show.
Nice. Frog leg, you understand?
Let me bring it so you guys can see. See?
Frog legs. Frog legs in this.
And see the label on it?
Yeah. Have a label.
Look natural. Yeah.
So.
No antibiotics ever. See?
Yes.
Yeah.
Frog
legs, see? Organic frog legs funny.
Yep, we set up this. So we have a cut here now. Get a knife over here. We have cut here now. So I can preserve the label. Cut it really good. So that's when they
We not damage the label.
Yeah, so when they ask to show them the package we're coming up, we have it nice already. Yeah. Nice already. So yeah. We're going say chicken. A chicken. Chicken breast.
Chicken, guys.
Yeah,
chicken.
Alright, chicken breast. Yeah. But we're gonna save this. Put it in our trash neatly. Put it in our trash right here. Because we know them all send with her. We now put it all the way down. Just make it stay there. And now we're gonna wash it.
No, so we always have to wash the meat.
Wash the meat. Yeah. I want some vinegar. Yeah. And guys, this is gonna take a while. So you know we have to go come back and show you the finished product and how we set up the plate them and everything. And what we have to do, guys, well, them probably after we tell them say a frog legs then Nyam, they probably go run and choke in our bath, try to choke in our bathroom. So we're gonna set up 3 cameras. We're gonna set up a camera across from the dining room. Follow me, Vanilla. We're gonna set up one over here, sir.
Yep.
Over here, sir, across from the dining room.
Across from the dining room, yeah, where we're gonna put your lovely meal.
Right. And then we have to go set up one in our bathroom. Let me turn on the light here. Yeah. We're gonna set up one.
We're gonna set up a camera in here.
Yeah, we're gonna set up one in another bathroom, yeah. Cause more than likely somebody are gonna run coming at
yeah, because I 2 of them. So we have to make sure we cover both bathrooms down here.
So then we're gonna set up one in the bathroom here. In here, so we're gonna set up one in the bathroom.
One up in
the
here.
bathroom.
Yep.
Yeah. So be prepared, guys. It's gonna be on.
We're
popping.
Bringing it
so we're
to
gonna come
them
back
today.
and show you when we finish make the sweet and sour chicken. Them not like you with pineapple, so we have to do it with just sweet pepper and them stuff. They not like you with pineapple. Yeah.
Here's the 2 pretty plates.
Nice pretty plates. Let me just clean it up so be nice and pretty. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
Nice. Pretty.
And I got a nice, luscious lunch.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take down, guys, we're gonna take down one of the floors. Well, we have a floors. We have a floors vase. We're gonna put it right over here, sir, and put the camera right in the vase. So when they sit down here, so they don't have no clue what I did behind the flowers, and just put a part where they capture everything, so they not see. We're gonna put the vase right up there, sir. Yes, guys. So
you got your phone call?
Yeah, let me call. Let's call and see what in there. Oh God, me nervous. Hopefully we can play this off.
Pressure's on.
Vanilla, we have to. Can't laugh. We don't want to laugh. God, please don't make me laugh.
Please don't make me laugh either.
We're affy. Get this.
Yep.
Who we call? My car.
It don't matter, whichever one.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
Nothing. Which part of that we done cooking now?
Done cook?
Yeah, we done cook and share food up. Sweet and sour chicken, what me telling us how we cook?
That sounds good.
Our rice are running. What do you want for drink?
Yeah, we have to do it still.
What you want for drink?
What you have there?
Let me see what I'm French. We have berry blend, kiwi.
Passion fruit juice?
You want passion fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me some of that.
Alright. We Which part of sound that just down the street?
Yeah, man, I just come to do it now. It's so late.
Okay, alright. Alright. Alright, me put your drinks there, okay? Alright, love you.
Yeah, man, let me go.
Bye.
Okay.
So you see everything?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I can see you good.
You can see it good?
Uh-huh. Let me
Alright.
move out a little bit.
Okay, alright. So you see the yellow flowers there?
Hold on. Let me make sure I can see both plates.
Yeah.
All right.
You see the yellow flowers that were over the top?
Uh-huh.
Bring it over some more so I hide it. Yeah.
Alright.
And the piece of greenery there on the side. Yeah.
Up here good? You
Yeah,
can't see
up-
anything up there?
Yeah.
You good?
You can't see. No.
You can't see
You
it?
can't see.
All right.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
All right. So, all right. Guys, them come.
Then they hear, then they
just
hear.
hear
We
them.
just
Can't
hear
park
them.
out. Then
We
no.
just
So
hear them.
we can't stand up. We can't stay in front of the camera.
No.
All right. We're going to get
We have
something
to
to
get
drink.
something to drink.
Oh, I think them so long.
That one from more. We hear the car.
Yeah, we hear it here.
You more good this time, man. Yeah, you hear that? You out check. You out shoot this time. You're that. I saw that one.
Did I tell them so we have open our pillow?
Clean
How was range?
Yeah, you glad. You glad.
Yo, we're gonna burn it.
You glad.
Now it's not
You glad.
about bad.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you.
You glad.
Everything.
You glad out shoot to sick this time, man.
Everything step. Things step up.
Whatever. It's man. You don't know how to play.
Yo, we're shooting. Yo, we're not like.
You might.
It good.
Thing, man.
Honestly,
Man.
the last time, you know, we killed enough more than
Yeah.
Yo, I might get to them.
I'm
man.
feeling to them.
Yo,
Alright.
Hurry up now.
Yo, we're going good. Yo,
Food gets cold.
Yeah,
we're
we're
going
going
good. Yo, we're target them
You
there.
like, right, so I can't tag you. What's your tag you,
I don't
man?
know why you about gun, can't eat. After we spend so much, we sleep for my food. Sleep.
I'll put on this. Food,
Alright.
put it on. Watch out, I'm going to put that. Put that is daddy.
Everything going, man. Trust
Yeah, and I look like when I look good, I don't come in hype.
me. Well,
Man, I show good man.
I'm quiet.
You can't believe it.
You're right now, we'll outshoot this one.
You
Yeah.
can't
Oh,
believe it.
shoot, what?
You
So,
can't-
you have a also?
We'll outshoot the soldier.
Right, Echo.
Yo, remember me there.
Yeah, I believe like I showed the kind of see.
Hurry up, man.
That's
The food, you know what? Because I know you don't like your food cold, so.
Yeah.
We got all out for that. Yeah. Look like restaurant quality. That about
So I'm going to put on this as yeah.
rotted. Yeah, make hurry up and put it down, cause hurry up and
Tell
put
me
it
about one.
this.
Alright.
Right, come sit down.
Like say yeah.
Right, Mr. We eat already.
Yeah, we're good. We eat already. We're gonna wait for
Oh,
minutes.
you don't want your pepper sauce now? You
Yeah.
pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know me, man, you know, man, I put on the player, see pepper thing to watch it.
I know you don't like the pepper.
I know me, the pepper what happened to me.
Yeah.
He come to blow.
He
I
come.
want to blow by the time like me.
Yeah.
You know?
Before you eat too much, I will eat before you me get the cup.
Man, let me taste the pepper, man, I hiccup. You start hiccup to blow.
You know what problem with me have?
What's
I eat
that?
too much hot pepper, may catch me.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Bitter. It stop.
I know.
Dumpy in there.
Tapi I want to eat too.
You got a phone there, man.
Oh, it found.
Hold on, here.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Stop again.
Yeah, as soon as we start talk. Come on. Then when we stop talk, it go off.
Yeah.
I what?
No, no.
Okay.
I don't know.
It sound like one toad.
Toad.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know what to it, but it's all some water business.
Oh, it sound like
That
one
matter them think I found
No.
You sure you never found a pipe in my bathroom when you go wash your hand? Oh. Oh, at this a rock.
This right here, this one.
Yeah.
Eva, at this.
Oh, this is a rock.
That was delicious.
Of course, it's delicious. And the chicken.
Chicken nice and moist, one.
The chicken nice and moist.
Moist.
Tastes good, man.
Such spring chicken taste. Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
Yeah.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
You know where I at it. I'm not there.
Yeah, spring chicken. I saw spring. Them say spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it
Spring
tastes.
chicken.
But she didn't got some on Friday.
Bullfrog.
Yeah.
You know that shit, you man.
You can't say that.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
You'll never eat.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
Spring chicken.
You cannot say
You
that.
can't say that. You can't say
You
never.
can't say that.
You can't.
Guamic.
Never say never.
Why never say that?
Because you can just
Because
eat.
that's what you ate.
Mm.
It was good. You dog it off. You
And
yum
I'm gonna
everything.
joke that, like.
For real.
For real.
Spring chicken.
Bullfrog.
I'm not
Let's
that's a
give you
bullfrog. Bullfrog and man one. Them are farm grown.
organic frog leg.
Woman frog.
Them are organic.
Organic frog leg.
No.
No.
We just
Organic
cut off the
frog
meat.
leg.
Yeah, we just cut off the meat off a leg, put in our flour, fry it, and then we make it
I
salad.
believe that. Like, you don't believe that.
Well, believe or believe not. That's why you name
That's it. Eat.
That's what you
frog
eat.
leg.
frog leg.
Chicken.
No.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
Spring
Wanna watch see packet where coming?
Chicken.
Let's go get it.
This is chicken.
Let's go get it.
Let me show now.
You probably don't want to rap with that with us. Yeah.
What's that say?
See
Frog leg.
frog leg.
Organic
Organic
frog
leg.
legs.
Frog leg.
Look.
Organic
Frog
frog
legs.
Organic frog leg.
Freshness.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
Freshness guaranteed. Frog leg. I mean, you know benefits of this? What if a benefits? What if a benefits?
What if a benefits?
Yeah, what
It's
if
good for your immune
It's
system.
good, yeah.
It's
It
good
got enough natural
good for
benefits in there.
oxygen to your brain.
Yeah, I'm a
Good for
poison.
high blood pressure.
All kind of things.
All kinds of sickness. Vitamin
No,
A and I.
no, we cook lunch for.
Then what kind of foolish is that? You don't give to learn that. I'm not joking.
And I don't see
You don't see the
package.
package.
No, we buy it at farmer's market.
Yeah.
So Kiba, yeah, I really like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
You near me too.
No, man.
You near me and enjoy it as it go down. You enjoyed every bite. Did you not? You talk about how this is the best chicken and.
Yeah, so what difference now? You kind of. I don't like say a bullfrog when we swim at Jamaica. I don't like say a bullfrog when we Jamaica. Different kind of frog them here.
They're organic.
A different kind of frog them here. And I don't like it. Then you want to raise for the farm.
They're not
Bullfrog. A bullfrog.
An organic frog. And I like say what. And I like you wonder what in a trench at Jamaica. No, I'm good frog them here.
They're raised on a farm.
A spring
Yeah,
chicken.
they're
Me uno call it bullfrog. Me uno call it bullfrog. Me not call it spring chicken.
I'm foolish. I'm fucking at the no go out with that.
Why? Why you fucking?
Why is it fuckery?
I check
No,
myself.
man, you can't be saying that do something like that. You are bad, right?
Did it kill you?
Kill you.
You
Man,
never
it
did.
calls for no benefit.
You
because-
still a breed.
Yeah, and what if a benefit? Yeah, good for your immune system.
We'll look out for you
Why
with the
they
COVID
don't can't take
situation.
stress me? How much pill they can't take for your immune system?
We're looking out for you with the
What do
COVID.
you mean when they be
Help
so
build your
concerned
immune
man there that? For me service
No.
like a
No.
blizzard or crocodile or some shit right? Oh, you don't feel?
But them gonna have a nutritional benefit like where
You want me to
Frog
shit on the news? You keep on that one nutritional benefit. You not care about that.
You know
man.
dead?
We can't take pills for that. We don't know if we are
No,
dead.
you're not dead.
You don't know yet.
But see, I mean, you already eat it.
You already ate it. You don't need it already.
No, why you go for me?
If we didn't tell you, if we didn't tell you, say it was
I will
if we didn't tell you, say it was
Oh,
frozen.
why
it.
Why you have something like that?
Because I want to give us something exotic for eat. We didn't just buy regular chicken.
Where can you say right?
We didn't just...
Because you want to eat it. We wanted to know how you don't really eat it.
So that means
but if we did tell her on how to eat it.
That's why because we don't know if you give it, man.
You know what I mean, man.
Yo.
We just want to try something
different.
different.
Try something
We
different.
just try something different.
Something new.
Something new.
A foolishness in a bar.
I know foolishness.
No, I say something like that.
I know something. I know foolishness.
Shit to right.
Why you have to farm it up something so good? But you enjoy it.
You enjoy it.
But you already enjoy it. You already enjoy it.
No, don't vomit up. You don't want this shit in me at all.
You vomit up what?
Man, can't be said. Jesus Christ. What do you want to talk to her, brother? Man, blowing that bullfrog to her ass. What kind of foolish is that? You keep what you want, man.
And I'm not mad. And I'm not feel upset.
Can't be say, sir, man, learn that factor. Right? You know someone never listen. What kind of foolish is that guy?
But me tell us I don't like frog when you think like Jamaica frog.
No matter keep them.
They be a farm grown frog. Organic frog.
No, they know what kind of frog you know. You think they know? They still don't want near me. That type of problem, sir. You have like you can't understand the word.
Me understand, say you don't want near me. That's why I couldn't tell you. Because when we read up the benefit, you alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to vomit up this shit out of them. I can't, sure. I don't feel like I vomit right. I just upset the stomach.
You're not going to vomit so easy, you know, because it digests already.
Yeah.
But look how nice it tastes, Mike. I mean, come on.
But I fool just at the world, man. You're my best man, star. Trust me.
Yeah. Me not see big deal in it.
The big deal is that you trick man to learn that and you must, you know me and Nyam. That you don't think that is a big deal?
Me not think it's a big deal
But
because
give me something
I like your poison, yeah?
No matter when me the cooks me give away to Nyam to write, I see when you that go on, or even worse to write it.
No.
I force that to not go on with.
Yeah.
Fuck that, trust me.
I mean, you're not going so much more people's feet.
I'm kind of blurs it, eat that thing, you know. Yo.
You alright?
No, I'm not alright, man. I'm not alright, star. I can't believe I eat that thing here, man. Can't believe it. No, I don't want you nothing about that, man. I eat that thing, that virgin. Because I believe I can't trust you with certain things again, you know. I call like, I deceive man at certain things. What do you mean?
Even though not to you. You alright? Can you come in? Eh?
No, me alright, man. No, don't worry about me, man. I eat that thing that I go on with, man.
Yo, you're alright. You alright?
Oh, just easy, man. Just easy, star.
What do you mean just easy?
No, man, you know what I mean, just easy. You can't give man frog feet. Bullfrog.
But you're not dead.
No matter if you're not dead. Put me dead tonight. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, man.
What you get so vexed for?
I'm not in our world.
You know, like I know.
It's not the end of the world.
I know nothing more answer.
But I'm not in our world.
What do you mean I know in our world?
I'm not in our world. I mean, you get something exotic to eat.
You know, care, style. You know, the test
But what in your head, you know, at that time, Mr. in your head is like a Jamaica bullfrog. And I'm a bullfrog. Them are real nice.
You don't know what kind of frog. You're going to know what kind of frog. You know, Nyam frog, man. You know, want none for them. Why that coming at you? That you like cook something like that, give man stuff.
But them a frog are lean, you know, and a farm grown.
Me say me no give a shit.
They're raised from special feeding. So me
They're organic.
Yeah, they're organic.
I don't understand.
They're organic frog.
pint, you know, man.
Why
Yeah,
do you
because-
want
because-
We don't eat bullfrog.
You just did.
Let's see what like
You come and say, really?
Now take
Don't
it
tell me no
to
foolishness. You might tell me, do not tell me no foolishness.
No, sir.
When I talk for my rights, don't tell me no.
Well, I mean,
No, you're going to organic foolishness.
Yeah, man, I come to my
Very good for them farmers.
if me know something, we don't react that way. That way.
We wanted to know.
We want to do it.
Me no react.
We think something to be out. Put me out, trying something
I
different.
love it. I hug you up and kiss you and all this. I like
I said no.
And that made it an extreme move.
They know that's something bad on the phone.
It's not bad. I like a poison. And I'm like, I'm alright tomorrow.
I don't know you done.
Frog leg has a lot of benefits.
Bring that, don't tell me like with frog leg. I don't give a shit with frog leg.
You
You know why? You know, I see you that tell the rest of them about how much of nutrient that's in the pork. Well, you know that.
But I don't like say nobody I don't know about we. And I like say me I got to tell nobody say me feed you.
We don't care about,
Frog.
we don't care about
Nobody not know.
Nobody not just
we don't
me.
care about nobody, we care about me. We don't eat frog, man. Why you not learn how to cook something like that, you man?
I just want you know something new because you always say you're tired of
Tired of the same old.
How much meat do they have for give me frog?
But we try all I eat beef, you have fish, you have goat,
You have lamb.
you have lamb, you have, you know what I'm saying, you have all I need them what we can think of. So we just want to treat them as something nice and different.
And they say it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, and they say it tastes like chicken. And you guys sit down there and say
And
it tastes
enjoy
like
it.
And enjoy it.
No, you know,
You enjoy it.
really,
We can't sit on the fuck around.
We can't, yeah.
I'm going on.
We're not talking.
But I'm not feeling-
We're not talking about no sense.
What do you
No
mean in the
make
mix?
no sense at all. Because I'm saying me a pint. Should go in a bullfrog feed.
You told me to use the word bullfrog.
Yeah, a bullfrog.
It's organic frog
I'm a
leg.
bullfrog man, bullfrog guy meal
Oh
one.
my God, brother, top talk shit about organic.
Bullfrog.
Top talk
Bullfrog
is organic shit.
is in swamps.
Organic
These
shit.
are in swamps. They
Uno
are
nyam
grown
none.
special
Uno
on a
nyam
farm.
none. Uno nyam
We
none.
might try it.
Uno nyam none. So why you not eat some? If I organic and this and that and they're so good.
Because
Why
when
you
we're
not eat some?
hungry, we got golden cross and get patties so we sell for our walk.
Okay.
A meal.
But why you nyam bullfrog? We can't eat patty. We have to nyam frog.
When you say it's a bit
We can't say no way if you make it so wrong. That's wrong.
We want to make sure you guys are around us for a long time. It's good for your heart. It's good for blood pressure.
It's party attack, man. But we want to make sure.
It have a lot of
You want to make
benefits to
sure.
it.
Why you never eat if you have so much benefit?
Exactly.
Uno older than we.
But you fucker. Hey, I am.
Uno older than we.
Brenda cook.
Come on, come on,
We don't have to leave. I'm
You
not
don't
going
have
to
to
leave.
Yo, man. Let's see if we can wait for us.
Right now, look at a trick with a trick way.
We're not trick on us. We ain't no trick on
On a
us.
trick way.
We ain't no trick
I
on us.
went.
Oh, me I look one thing, me expect on all do that. You see what I'm saying? Me I expect that.
You're sorry to feel the way you
Sorry that you feel the way you feel.
Me say I know so what I feel already.
I don't understand how you expect me to feel.
Me name why you don't be outrageous like
I'm
this.
under the idea that sit down well comfortable. I eat backside.
You know, man. I didn't know what.
Oh, yeah, laugh after we eat.
Terrible.
We need to laugh.
We didn't laugh after you.
I want to make where I laugh now because we're not react and because we don't think so necessary. We're not.
Man, sit down comfortable. I eat frog to box.
You enjoyed every minute. You enjoyed every minute. You did. You did.
I
You
don't
did enjoy
qualify
it.
you.
You say it's moist and everything like that.
No, right
You
now.
enjoyed it.
Find a way to go home. That's all I have to say.
Oh, my God, here, man.
So why not leave for that?
Why
I mean,
not
on an extra. I mean, come on.
Foolishness on the boy with style.
We're not foolishness.
Nobody follow me. Keep me right and I don't want to talk to you, style. Nobody follow me, please.
Why? Make
Nobody follow me at all. Nobody follow me. Because I don't want to talk to me right and not all that time.
I think you just have got.
I think you guys are
I don't like how we
overreacting.
feel not in front of people. I just between we.
Man, yo, me no
You're
want- Me
overreacting.
say, me no want to hear it, man. I'm the wrong phone of the style. The wrong phone of them.
You're overreacting. You're blowing it out of
I mean,
proportion.
I keep on saying, okay, woman, because I not care woman neither, you know. I'm pretty gone.
Him not gone.
Alright?
Oh shoot, guys. Oh my god, I just heard the car.
Well, bring down the camera. Give me down the camera. We have to go tell them the joke. Side. Give me. Well, go get Prem. Go get Prem. Go get him. Make him. Go get him. Guys, don't leave. Don't leave. Wait there. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's chicken.
It's chicken breast.
Chicken breast. Wait there.
Put this label on it. It's fake.
It's fake.
It's fake chicken breast.
How much son you get the chicken breast?
I will tape your hand, Penny.
We tape the down on
Peel
there.
ya.
Not to hurry up before Clifford left.
Left you better one.
One. Go get him. See. See there. I will. It's a prank. What I think you can't get up and prank with every ratty day long. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, chicken. Oh, you bring it in because we can't.
We put the label on it.
Yeah.
It's for no chicken breast. I know real chocolate.
Yeah.
It's a prank, baby. It's a prank. Yeah, we don't never give the chicken arm a frog leg. Yo, now y'all we get your ass. And we print it off like computer. Yeah.
Yo, can I come and see it again to blow?
That's called revenge.
Revenge.
Sure.
Revenge. So what do to
It's
it?
called chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Purdue
Yeah,
chicken
Purdue
breast.
chicken
100% vegetable fed.
So when you print the sound, I'm going to see it.
Yes, I
All
will
of
see
it.
all of that. I will PS on.
Yep. And we created.
Yeah, we got to know.
See the
We got to know.
label there?
We got to know.
We
We got to know. Get to the We got. So who are the prank queen? Who are the prank queen? Who are the prank queens? Who are the prank? May I wait for honor? Who are the prank queens? Who are the prank queens? Holy shit! You are left in your slippers and like your big old slippers there, buddy. Buddy full. God to the good. God am good. Yes. It's still a look. You don't believe it's still a look. Chicken
See
breast.
the original label there. See a peel off on that.
Yo, that mind me has to keep a camera. That's a camera. We don't never do that.
Oh, we ordered that. Now see how we tape you off, buddy. A Purdue
See
chicken.
breast.
Man, look at this thing. I good no blood.
Yeah. The
See the
breast.
chicken breast.
So no
there?
print out this on computer.
Yeah,
We
it's frog
created the
thing. Yeah, we
labels.
create the label and everything.
Blurs now.
Yeah.
All the barcode.
All the
All the
barcode
barcode
they do.
will make.
Yeah.
Use our freeze by April.
Oh, say our names. Who are the prank queens? Say our names. Say our names, please.
That's it. I'm going to have one of them.
Ah,